Hey everyone, welcome back to the Everything Surgery podcast. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's pivotal in pathology, Ki67. Now, if you've never heard of Ki67 before, don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what it is and why it's so important. So, what is Ki67? Well, simply put, it's a nuclear protein that's like a spotlight for cellular activity. It's present in cells when they are actively growing or dividing, basically, in all the busy phases of the cell cycle like G1, S, G2, and M. But here's the cool part, Ki67 is completely absent when cells are at rest, or what scientists call the G0 phase. And guess what? Scientists can detect Ki67 using a technique called immunohistochemistry, which helps us learn a ton about how cells behave. Now let's talk about where Ki67 really shines, in cancer diagnosis and treatment. It's a game changer in oncology. Take breast cancer, for example. Ki67 helps doctors figure out the tumor's subtype and even predict how aggressive it might be. A higher Ki67 score, say, over 20 or 30%, often means the cancer is more aggressive. And it's not just breast cancer. Think about neuroendocrine tumors, lymphomas, prostate cancer, or even gliomas. Ki67 is used across the board to assess how quickly tumors grow, and that helps guide treatment decisions. But it's not just about diagnosis. Ki67 is also a big deal in research. Scientists use it to study cell growth, test new cancer treatments, and even evaluate how effective therapies are. For example, after neoadjuvant therapy, that's pre-surgery treatment, if a tumor's Ki67 levels drop, it's a good sign the treatment is working. It's like having a real-time scoreboard for tumor response. Of course, as amazing as Ki67 is, it's not without its challenges. One big issue? There's no universal standard for what counts as a high or low Ki67 score. Labs and cancer types handle it differently, and sometimes tumors themselves show varying Ki67 levels in different areas. Plus, factors like how the tissue is prepared and which antibodies are used can all affect the results. But here's the exciting part, the future of Ki67. With digital pathology and AI stepping in, automated Ki67 scoring is becoming more accurate and consistent. And when you pair Ki67 with other markers like page 53 or HER2, the insights just get richer. So, to wrap it up, Ki67 is a powerhouse biomarker that's reshaping how we understand cancer. It's helping doctors pinpoint tumor behavior, guide treatments, and even predict outcomes. Sure, there are still hurdles to overcome, but one thing's for sure, Ki67 is here to stay, both in clinical settings and cutting-edge research. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this episode interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time with more fascinating topics. Everything Surgery Podcast, Dissect the Extraordinary.